Join our family of 4. As we prepare to say goodbye to our regular lives. We try to learn how to sail. Go on a hunt for our project boat. Travel to new places. Meet new people. And make new friends. Laugh with us as we try to navigate through the sheer chaos. Of owning a family business, school for the kids, extracurricular activities, our pets, and family life. All while keeping the sailing dream alive. Hey guys, we hope you liked our trailer and you saw the
Take 2.
Hey guys, we hope you liked our trailer and got a taste of everything that we've gone through so far. We've got a lot of adventures and interesting things to show you guys.
Our life is a little bit chaotic, but we work best that way, so we hope you enjoy our adventures on SB Chaos.
And as you can see, we're on the boat. So we have the boat here in a garage, and we're going to work on it all winter, and we're going to keep you up to date with everything that we do.
Give us any ideas of things you want us to share with you. If you're a boat owner and have great suggestions for us, we're totally willing to hear what you got because we're going at this a little bit blind.
That's true. We have no idea what we're doing. We bought a 27-foot sailboat, and we're going to build it from the ground up, basically. So any help or suggestions you guys have, put them in the comments below, and we'll read them.
Don't forget, at the end of the video, hit like if you liked it, subscribe, and you'll get the notifications when we put out a new video. Also, please feel free to leave comments, share it with your friends and family. We're hoping to share our adventures with anybody who's willing to join us.
Yes, so we hope you guys come along with us for the journey.
And maybe you'll get on the boat someday with us.
We've got a lot planned and a lot that we're going to be doing, not only with the boat, but other ideas that we have as well. So you're going to be with us through our ups, through our downs, everything in between. We're going to try to be as transparent as we possibly can. So we'll put all our costs that we're putting into the boat. We want to show you guys that anybody can do this. We hear it all the time, all the videos that we watch, and everybody says, just go out and do it. You can do it. And I guess here we are doing it. So I want to show you guys that if we can do it, we know anybody can do it.
We've never owned, well, he owned a fishing boat, but other than that, we've never owned a boat. It's brand new to us.
Anything else?
I think that's it.
All right.
Let's get to work.
Enjoy, guys.